Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check the estimated delivery time for a product on TEMU. So let's go and let's find a product. Let's say I want to buy this product over here, and in order to check the delivery time I need to scroll down a little bit, and here we have the delivery data, delivery information. Here, as you can see, we have delivery December 2nd to 10th, which is approximately like 10 days, but we can also go over here, click on this arrow over here to see a little bit more information. Here we have once again the delivery time, and here we have data regarding the delivery time. So for 71% of users, the product was delivered for in less than 10 days, but as you can see, in most cases it was approximately 9 days until this product arrived. So this is how you can find information about the estimated delivery time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!